How can we efficiently furnish this apartment? Well, let's zoom in on the bedroom, and we're going to switch to a new tool, the Select tool. And when you use the Select tool and click on a component so that we can see it's highlighted, if you press Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste, you can duplicate it. And I'm going to press again because I need another dresser because I have lots of clothes. Additionally, there is a store called IKEA that sells lots of nifty furniture, and there's quite a few IKEA bookcases and other things on the 3D warehouse. So if I'm at the IKEA website and I find something that I like, oh, this Billy bookcase right here looks pretty good, and I'm going to go to Sketchup and to the 3D warehouse, and I type in IKEA Billy bookcase, you'll notice that quite a bit of their items appear. I'm going to load this directly into my library. Click once, click again to rotate, Control-C, Control-V to copy and paste. Finally, File, Export 2D graphic to take a snapshot to share with me. So you're going to save it as first name, last name, apartment 1. And this way you're going to make sure you save it to your folder, and you're going to email me this at the end of your class. And here you can see this is that direct image. If you orbit out and want to share with me a unique perspective, for example, your gaming room and your library, you're going to go to File, Export 2D graphic, and make sure the export type is JPEG, and you're going to save it as Mr. Drozd apartment, and then 2 export. You're going to want to make sure each file name is saved with a different name, that way they don't overlap or delete one another. There we go. I look forward to seeing your work.